Hello, student. Today we will study the topic water as part of the fundamental right. Water is essential for life and for good health. We need safe water. Unsafe water causes water related diseases. Over 1600 Indians over 1600 Indians die every day by water related diseases. So water is so essential for our survival. We know all. We need safe drinking water. Unsafe water causes water related disease, and every day 1600 Indians die just because of unsafe drinking water or water related diseases. Among the 1600 Indians, maximum children are die just because of water related diseases. These diseases are diarrhea, cholera. There are so many diseases, waterborne diseases. We have right to live, Article 21. Our constitution gives us right to live, and which article 21 is right to live. This is the one mark question. Right to live is which article 21. Right to water is also included in this right to water is also included in right to live, because we cannot live without water. So if we are having right to live, we just need water also. So there should be universal access to water. Universal access means everybody should get safe drinking water. Because we are having right to live, so it is the duty of government to provide us universal access to water. Means everybody should get water. What is the meaning of universal access? When everyone can get goods. If any good is received by everyone, it is known as a universal access. So main thing of this paragraph is that we are having right to live according to article 21, and right to water is also included in right to live. So this is the duty of the government to provide us water, not normal water. It is the duty of government to provide us safe water. Now we will study the case of Andhra Pradesh. In Andhra Pradesh there was a court case. According to High Court and Supreme Court, safe drinking water is a fundamental right. It is a fundamental right that we should have safe drinking water. A villager of Mehboob Nagar district of Andhra Pradesh complained against a textile company in 2007. In Andhra Pradesh High Court, a villager of Mehboob Nagar complained against a textile company when in 2007. What was his complaint? A textile company was discharging poisonous chemicals into a stream near his village and contaminating groundwater also. So this textile company was discharging poisonous chemical near the stream of his village, and groundwater was polluted just because of this act. The judges directed the Mehboob Nagar district collector to supply 25 liter of water to each person in the village. So what was the decision of judges? That district collector should do such arrangement that every person in the village will get 25 liters of water. This is the duty of government. Why judges told to collector? Because it is the duty of government to provide safe drinking water, because groundwater was contaminated, stream water is contaminated, polluted. So it is the duty of district collector that every person of the village should get 25 liter of water. So this is the duty of government to provide us safe drinking water. We have discussed this earlier also. What are the public facilities? We will see some other facts related this. So what are the public facilities? Public facilities are essential facilities that need to be provided for everyone. The facilities which are very essential for our survival, the facilities which are very essential to make our life easy and comfortable. These facilities are known as public facilities. For example, healthcare, sanitation, electricity, transport, school, colleges, etc. Recently, there is a problem of coronavirus. Who is taking initiative? to fight with it. Government is taking initiative because it is the duty of government to give us proper health care. Okay, so why the government is providing so many facilities, so many rules, and so many healthcare to us during this corona pandemic? Because it is the duty of government to provide us health care. That's why government is planning for this one, that so many teams are there, lockdown is there, proper medical facilities are there, proper sanitation sorry government is sanitized different things. So this is the public facility, means this is the duty of government to provide us public facilities. Once it is provided, its benefit can be shared by many people. This is the main advantage of this public facility. What is this? Once it is provided, it benefit can be shared by many people. If once the public facility is provided, then many people can get the benefit of this facility. For example, a school in a village provide education to many students, the government many students. Okay, so if a school opens in a village, so this school gives education to so many students. So many students can take benefit of the school. So this is the public facility. Next, we will study the government's role. What is the government's role to provide us public facility? Simple it is. It is the duty of the government to provide public facilities to all. It is the duty of government. This cannot be done by a private agency. So first question arises that why it is the duty of the government? Some private company also give us this facility because they work, but this facility cannot be done by private agency because they work only for their profit. And if water is supplied by packaged water bottles, it can be used only by some rich people. Government gives us facility without any profit. The government doesn't need any profit. Government wants only to give us public facilities. But why private agencies work? Private agency work only for their profit. If this public facilities will be given to private agency, these facilities will be very costly because the government provides us the public facility. Sometime the government is having so many loss, but still government is providing us public facility. Now in this corona pandemic, government is providing us so many things. Even the food is provided to the poor people. There is so many economic projects are down. There is a loss of money, but government cares our health. Government doesn't work for the profit only. That's why if these public facilities will be given in the hands of private agency, what happened? These public facilities will be very costly and it cannot be accessed by the poor people. Okay, so why we cannot give this to the private agency? Because they work only for their profit. For example, we can take the water supply is also given by private agencies. We are having so many branded water in the market. For example, Bisleri is there. There is one more can is there. So many bottles we are getting, which is a packaged drinking water. So can a poor people can afford that water? This water is provided us by the private agency. If we talk about the bottle of Bisleri, this water is provided us by a private agency. But can everybody afford this bottle? No. Only rich people can afford the bottle of this packaged drinking water of some companies, because these companies work only for their profit. And we cannot get this facility if it is done by private agency, because these facilities cannot be affordable by poor people. Only rich people can afford this facility. So we cannot give this public facilities to private agencies. Okay, so what is the government role? Government role is it is the responsibility of government to give us or to provide us public facility. Government doesn't want any kind of profit. Government wants only save our life. Government wants to make our life comfortable. So government doesn't work for the profit, government works for us, and private agencies works for their profit. So facilities provided by private agencies would be very costly. Now first thing is that government is giving us so many facilities. Where does the government gets money? Simple, you know the answer. Tax collected from the people. Government get money from the tax, by the tax collected from the people. Government collects taxes and uses in such programs like pumping. If we are studying only related to the water supply, government collects taxes and this money is used for pumping water, carrying it to long distances, laying down pipes. All these are the some program which is essential to provide public facility to all. So government spend the money in this things, the pumping of water, laying down of pipe in a long distance. There are so many tasks to provide us public water. Now we have studied about the two topics. First, we have studied the fundamental rights, water as a fundamental right. Next, we have studied about the public facility. And third, we have studied the government's role. And fourth, how the government get money. So, very simple it is. Fundamental right according to Article 21, we are having right to water under the right to live. Next, public facilities. Public facilities are facilities which are very essential to us, and this is only provided to us by the government. And where does the government get money? Government gets money through taxes. Thank you.